These are unusual, and I might say difficult times for our country. We're divided. We're divided as a country. And it's at times like this, frankly, that I think Dr. King's message of unity and togetherness is not only powerful, it's always powerful, but it's more important than ever.
As the mayor pointed out, we all have been struggling with the pandemic, with issues around political divisiveness, with issues around systemic racism, which all of us need to make renewed efforts to combat. This is a time when unity is very, very much needed. And so I think it's in this spirit that we come together and celebrate the legacy of Dr. King. So I know I'll be present, and I hope all of you will as well, at 10 a.m. on Monday as we host this virtual event.